Hi, this is Paul Baker with RE/MAX and HotPropertyFlorida.com. Today we're out in Parish, Florida at North River Ranch. We're going to look at a model by David Weekley Homes. It's the Ensenada model. It's 1,953 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage. Base price at the time of this recording starts in the low 400s. Please take a look around. If you like this home and would like more information on it or more information on other homes available in this community, please give me a call at 407-902-3188 or visit my website, hotpropertyfl.com. I will have a link in the description to all the floor plans, different builders for this community. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.